Hey, Josh White here with Lawyers Title. So let's talk the basics of title insurance. What it is, why it's important, and why you need it as part of your real estate transaction. So title insurance does three main things. First, it insures the transaction. So things like forgery and fraud, with lots of documents going back and forth, tons of hands in the transaction between escrow and lender and title and everyone else. Title insurance ensures that transaction, its legitimacy, and makes sure that all parties involved are protected. The second thing it does via the homeowner's policy is it protects the buyer, the new homeowner. So traditionally in Southern California, that's something that the seller pays for and hands off to the buyer. But this protects the buyer from making sure that down the road, there's not going to be any lingering issues or interests or encumbrances on the property that come back to haunt that buyer. The third thing it does is it protects the lender. So obviously if it's a cash transaction, there's no loan on the property, there wouldn't be a loan policy. But in most cases, there is a loan, and that lender wants protection for their position on the property. So that if that property goes through foreclosure, they're ensured that they're in first position and they're going to be the first lien holder that's paid off. That's the basics of title insurance. If you have any questions, let me know. Throw some comments out there, give me some feedback. I always love when you do. And thanks so much for doing business with Lawyers Title.